Do you remember the day you were born? Take a second, seriously. Try to dig up that very first memory. What's the absolute earliest thing you can recall? Chances are you can't remember anything before the age of 3. And if you think you do, science has bad news. It's likely a false memory. Your adult brain built those scenes later, using old family photos and stories you heard. This massive black hole at the start of your life is called infantile amnesia. And it's not because you were stupid or just forgot. Your brain actively deleted it. To understand why, we have to look at a tiny brain part called the hippocampus. It acts like the hard drive's manager, sorting and saving your memories. But when you were a baby, this manager was working inside a chaotic construction zone. Your brain was growing new cells, a process called neurogenesis, at a speed you will never experience again. Millions of new neuron connections were exploding every single second. And here is the exact biological paradox. To build a strong, organized adult mind, nature had to demolish the unstable roads of a child. The massive wave of new cells physically crushed and rewrote the delicate memory bridges you made the day before. Your brain didn't lose your childhood, it forcefully formatted the drive to clear space for logic and language. By the age of 7, this chaotic renovation slows down, and your permanent memory lane finally locks into place. But by then, the original landscape of your birth is completely gone. Physically and mentally, the little person you were born as no longer exists. They were erased, so a new you could be written. This leads to a mind-bending question. If nature can silently swap the physical pieces of your consciousness, how do you know you are the exact same person who started watching this video 5 minutes ago? Philosophers call this the Ship of Theseus paradox. If you replace every single rotting wood plank on a ship one by one, is it still the same vessel? Your body plays by these exact same rules. Cells die and regenerate constantly. Even right now, as you listen to my voice, your brain is processing new data, shifting its layout, and building new proteins. At a molecular level, you are already slightly modified. The brutal truth is, you are not a continuous movie. You are a stop-motion animation, waiting for the next frame to be rendered by your biology. A brand new version of your consciousness is assembled every single time your eyes snap open in the morning. It's an existential nightmare, but also a beautiful gift. It means your past doesn't chain you. Your hardware is built to adapt. Nature formatted the child's database to protect the sanity of the adult. You will never meet that first version of you, but they gave up their existence so you could have yours. Your entire life is spent using that clean drive to build new, deliberate connections for the person you choose to be today. And that is not cringe at all. If you want to unlock more secrets of your mind, like and subscribe to track the updates.